bring the reference onto catch block. Up to here, it is a normal process. Whenever I want to convert this exception into checked exception, I must take the support of throws keyword. I must take the support of throws keyword. So we add throws keyword to the method signature. Throws keyword to the method signature. Whenever we added throws keyword to the method signature, automatically exception raised at method call. That only theory to you. When the exception raised at method call, compiler will identify the exception. If the compiler identifies the exception comes under checked exception. That's a theory. But here, two steps to be followed. One, add throws keyword here to the method signature. Step one. Step two, add one throw keyword in catch block and perform rethrowing. Whenever we say rethrowing, student may understand, may not understand. Because of this reason, yesterday in the diagrammatic, I represented to you. In this diagram, what happened now? Exception raised in subclass method, that is process. But whenever I say rethrow, the object reference is moved to the catch block of try block where method call is available. That is the information with you. It's a theory. That point to be remembered yesterday. So the points. So based on that one or two definitions here, one or two doubts came yesterday. Few students asked me a doubt. The doubt is, I am writing one throws withdraw here. The same thing I am adding for transaction here. Somebody asked from online, I think. So here throws withdraw. Sir, why you are adding here? Means this is overriding method, no? Right. Overriding means method signature must be same. Right. Method signature means what? Return type same, method name same, parameter list same. This also method signature only. Throws, withdraw. Here same thing must be there. See there. Void must be there. Process must be there. Parameter list, throws, withdraw. Same must be there. Then only override. Because whenever I change here, you must change there. Understood this point? That only changes. Again, somebody asked one more doubt to me. The doubt is, sir, why you are not writing throws here? Somebody asked. Actually, who asked that question? Not observed here. Here, try here. If else not there, no. Is there any condition available here? If else condition not there. When if else condition not there, exception handling not needed. When the exception handling not needed, automatically throws not needed, no. That only concept. Okay, right. Anyway, some information delivered through that program. I asked you to modify. Anybody tried this? Raise your hands. So here doubt will come when you are changing. Why I given the assignments means today I'll write the solution. Why I'll write the solution means handling exception within the anonymous class. In real time, the code is there. So first I asked you to try it. Class name will not be there. So doubt will come what to do. So third one is what now? Handling exception within the lambda. Class name not there, method name not there. Right? So these two doubts will come to you. So I'll write the solution, you'll get the clarity. Right? Today I'll provide the solution. Before providing the solution, some information is available. Make it. Right. Star mark IMP. Handling multiple exceptions. All of you look here. Tomorrow I'll say the information. Sunday, sometimes you will have a class. No problem. No problem. Okay. Problem is there also, class is there. Right? I'm planning one class on Sunday. So the topic is we are doing exception handle now. Right. Next chapter we'll go for collection framework. Here one files is there, no? Right. These files we are working on Sunday. IO streams and files. One topic we are working, small topic only. The class runs for 2.5 hours to 3 hours. The concept is IO streams and files. What? 9 to 12. What? Full stack Java developer, highest priority Java. Got it? Look here. Not only other batch also coming. Is a combined topic to few batches. Got it right? So that they planned for 9 a.m. I'll say. 9 a.m. Which one? There JavaScript. Just offline or online? Record it. For me, offline class is there. I am conducting offline. Okay. When Java trainer kept a class, you must not say about painting work and databases. So you are a full stack Java developer, full stack UI developer. You are a full stack developer, full stack UI developer. Answer my question. There is the answer available with you. Right. Because of you, I'm not conducting. Some more batches I'm coordinating. So the time should be scheduled for all. That's the reason. Online, anywhere I can. Offline means I'm opening the block. I'm opening the block and all faculties will come. Sorry, all people will come. It's the biggest sector. Okay. Tomorrow I'll confirm that time to you. Hope I'm planning by 9 to 12, 3 hours. In between 10-15 minutes break will be there. Okay, right. My intention, Sunday to be closed. This one, files will be closed. Sunday. In the regular, we are entering into collection. Last 2 topics will be pending. So next coming week, we are closing. Okay, right. Handling multiple exceptions. We use the following 2 processes or 2 ways. We use the following 2 ways to handle multiple exceptions. We use the following 2 ways to handle multiple exceptions. We use right. We declare multiple catch blocks to a try block. We declare multiple catch blocks to a try block. To a try block to handle multiple exceptions. We declare multiple catch blocks to a try block to handle multiple exceptions. To handle multiple exceptions. The syntax, try. Suppose 2 exceptions available here. Exception 1, exception 2. To handle, I'll use 2 catch blocks. I'll use to handle that exceptions. Exception 1 OB, exception to OB. Here we generate message. Here we generate message. Already yesterday, we are using this kind of syntax to handle multiple exceptions already. To handle multiple exceptions. Right, look here. In yesterday's program, this one. Already in the main class, I am writing two catch blocks now. This is one catch block. This is one catch block. Right. Anyway, in this program, pin number, if I enter 12.34, what exception will come? Input mismatch exception will come now. Right. To handle this input mismatch, you must write one more catch block. Input mismatch exception, IME. Here system dot out dot println. Here enter only integer value. If I entered 12.34, every time you have to break that. No. Why terminated means it is auto running and taking the data because stream is connected, no keyboard stream. Okay. Must break it anyway. My intention, this is, I can write multiple catch blocks to a try block. This is the old pattern. Everybody knows. Okay, right. Yesterday's program is that only. Now, second one. From Java 7 version onwards, from Java 7 version onwards, we can use single catch block to hold multiple exceptions. From Java 7 version onwards, we can use single catch block to hold multiple exceptions. Single catch block to hold multiple exceptions. That concept came by Java 7. Concept came by Java 7. Now in the syntax here, for two exceptions, you can write one R here and write the exception here. R here, dot here. Like this. So instead of writing multiple catch blocks, you can write single catch block also. This is a new feature from Java 7. From Java 7, the concept is available to you. So exception 1 or we are going to read it as or exception 2 or any one exception will come. No, two exceptions will not come. Any one only will come. So there is a syntax available from Java 7 to you. Right. See there. Generally, this format is used when we want to have a common message, if not a common code. The catch block having common code means you can bring it. See there. In the above program here, in the above program, see there. Sir, in this catch block, get message method, else break. Get message method, break. That is one code or not now? Of course, only for invalid number, count plus plus will come. Remaining code is what now? Get message and break. Here also get message and break only now. That is common thing or not now? So these two catch blocks can be merged. See there, I am merging. Now, demo exception 4 or you can write what now? Withdraw, you can write. You can write withdraw like this. Now, this catch block is not needed. You can delete. Now, this is a syntax now. Catch, demo exception 4 or withdraw and object name. Getting or not now? Right, this one. This is. Now, this syntax we call it as Java 7 syntax, we say. Java 7 syntax, we say. Let me run it. Answer will come. Pin number 12.34 means input mismatch. Suppose I given 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll go with withdraw. 12,000. Withdraw is coming no? Right. Now 1, 1, 1, 1. Withdraw 123. It is coming from the main class. Answer is coming or not now, right? This main class. So if you want to see the class names, you can display it, but not needed here. All of you understood this syntax available, right? You can use a single catch block or you can use single catch block to hold multiple exceptions. This is a syntax. The syntax available from Java 7 version. It's a theory. Any manual message you are giving, that you have to write separately. Any manual message is there that you must write separately. The point. All of you understood this topic for reading? Right. Okay. Two syntaxes. Normally in the market, we use this only, double catch blocks. Use it. Now, make it FAQ. Define try with resource statement. Define try with resource statement. Define try with resource statement. Try with resource statement is introduced by Java 7 version and in which we can declare resources with try. Try with resource statement is introduced by Java 7 version, and in which we declare resources with try. Resources with try. The syntax is try bracket like this. Here, resource 1, resource 2, dot like this. You can write resources here followed by statements. Some statements. This is a syntax. Try followed by resources. Sir, what is the example now? Example. Resources means IO. Resources means network. Resources means database and so on. So here, try of scanner. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in. So this is one resource. This is one resource. Sir, what is the advantage? So daily writing finally block no? Daily writing finally block or not now? So that finally block is not needed. Finally block is not needed because daily writing final block and closing no? That is not the advantage. Advantage. The resources will be closed. Will be closed automatically. The resources will be closed automatically. Advantage. The resources will be closed automatically in try with resource statement. Try with resource statement, which means no need to use finally block. No need to use finally block. Whenever we use try with resource statement, no need to use finally block. Sir, in this syntax, you not written catch, no, sir. So catch block is optional block. Optional means if you want, you can use it. If not, you can remove it. Choice is yours. Okay, right. In try with resource statement, in try with resource statement, in try with resource statement, catch is optional block. Optional block. In try with resource statement, catch is optional block. Optional means if you want, you can use it. If not, no need to use it. That's the meaning of optional block. See there, in the above program, here one scanner class is there, no? Right. This one, you can write in one try. You can open that try. You can close here. End of try with resource. You can close it. So error not there. I'm not writing the catch block. Only for the resources we write it. So this also Java 7 only. Java 7 means 2011, 10 years back almost. Now, this is one syntax, try with resource. If I run it, 12.34. First, you have to cross check that scanner. It creates a problem, actually. If it is working, remaining will work. Remaining, no problem. If I enter correctly, 123, it's working, no? Right. So, there is one new concept introduced by Java 7 known as try with resource. This is a syntax. All of understood this? All of understood, right? Right. Instead of applying, theoretically you must know, because market people are not using. Not using means not updated. They'll use old one, try, catch, they'll write. Of course, some experienced engineers are editing. Suppose suppose tomorrow you got a job, right? 4 lakhs per annum. You'll write all streets and go. What you will do? What you will do? Sir, I don't know, sir, what I'll do. I not yet practiced 150 programs also here, sir. Suddenly job came, sir. What I should do? Of course, you will write it. Searching here and there, copying, something you'll do. That code is not final, no. If they believe you, what happened now? These many errors will come. Time complexity not there. Space complexity not there. Variable names you'll write A, B, C, D. Not accepted, no. Some team will edit it. Second level is there or not now? In the second level, they'll write resource. First level, you write try, catches, and come. Because of this reason, starting people don't know there is one option known as a try with resource. But in the interview, they're asking, define try with resource statement. I can declare resources with a try. Advantage, the resources are closed automatically. No need to use a finally block. Whenever I use a try with a resource, catch block is optional to me. If I want, I will write. If not, I will not write. That's a theoretical. Now, this try with resource statement modified again. Make it define enhanced try with resource statement. Try with resource statement. Define enhanced try with resource statement. Enhanced means small modification done. Enhanced try with resource statement. Resource statement introduced by Java 9 version. Java 9 version, and in which we declare sources outside the try and resource reference variables. Resource reference variables with try. 1 minute. And Right hand. Sorry. Enhanced try with resource statement introduced by Java 9 version, and in which we declare resources outside the try and resource reference variables with the try. Right. The meaning is the resources will be outside the try. Here, resource one, variable, resource two, variable, dot. The variables are declared inside the try like this. Resources are outside. The syntax is like this. So see the difference. Here resources are declared. Here resources outside, but variables here. This is introduced by 9, Java 9 version. Right. Look here. I'll update in my program. Here. I must write this scanner outside. I must write yes here. So accept it. Means the syntax is allowed. If I run it, I'll get the answer. So exception messages I'm putting, right? Anyway, theoretically, this is try with resource. This is enhanced try with resource. In try with resource, resources with try. In enhanced try with resources, resources are outside, variables are with try. Note. So the note is, see there, I am using scanner with a try with resource or enhanced try with resource, whatever it may be. I'll open the scanner class from the library. I'll open. Right. Java P, Java dot util dot scanner. Scanner. The scanner class implements from closable. You can see one interface known as closable. This closable interface java.io dot closable will come from auto closable. The rule is the classes which are used in try with resource statement must be implementations of java.lang.auto closable. That is a rule. Directly, indirectly, it should be linked to auto closable. Then only we can use that class in the try with resource. Unless you cannot use. All exceptions are classes only. Exception classes. Make a statement. Note to be remembered here. The classes which are declared with try. The classes which are declared with try. Which are declared in try with resource statement. Try with resource statement must be implementations of the classes which are declared in try with resource statement. You must read in a single format. Try with resource statement must be implementations of java.lang.auto closable interface. That is a rule. The classes which are declared in try with resource statement must be implementations of java.lang.auto closable interface. Is a rule. So this is the theoretical information about your handling multiple exceptions using single catch block. Java 7 Try with resources Java 7, enhanced try with resources Java 9. So theory. Now, one more FAQ. Define java.lang. Null pointer exception. Java.lang. Null pointer exception. Java.lang. Null pointer exception. Right. Now see there. When this null pointer exception will come means, suppose I am taking one variable here. So public static string sum str is equal to some Java program. Why static variable means main method can access static only? No, because main method is a static method. Static methods can access only static variable. Here, finding the length str dot length. Now system dot out dot print ln. Here str is equal to str dot to string. Now system dot out dot print ln length of str is equal to len. Anyway, the answer will come. You know this program already. Okay, right? Suppose str I am taking one null value. I am taking one null value here. All of understood this null value. Now I am running. Now null pointer exception will come. All of you observe this, right? Sir, why this null pointer exception came? The reason here str dot length. You are running one length method from the null value. You are running one length method from the null value. So whenever we use one non-primitive data type variable, which is assigned with a null value, the null pointer exception will be raised. So the exception is here now. Here, null pointer exception is raised. Make a statement. Java dot lang dot null pointer exception is raised. Null pointer exception is raised. Java dot lang dot null pointer exception is raised when we use non-primitive data type variable. When we use non-primitive data type variable assigned with null value. Java.lang.null pointer exception is raised when we use non-primitive data type variable assigned with null value. Using means using that non-primitive data type variable, if we call any method, automatically null pointer exception is raised. Exception means disturbance. Pointer means indication. So disturbance because you are indicating to null value. That's the meaning of it. Now, example, I'll copy this small program there. I'll copy it. Output is null pointer exception. I'm copying this output. Output is null pointer exception. Output. See there. Exception in thread main. Exception is java.lang.null pointer exception. Reason cannot invoke string.length method because in demo exception 5 str is null at line number 5. That's the meaning. Null value is there means null pointer exception will come. All of understood this theoretical? Right, okay. To the points. So these are the major points you had it. This is a conclusion generally. Okay. Right, look here. Right, you see there. If I scroll back here from this Java programming concepts under exception handling, you know the difference between error and exception. You know the definition of exception handling process. You know the difference between try, catch, and finally, you know throw versus